everybody. For today's vlog, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I was reached out to a couple of months ago by a company called Deminuage if I wanted to try their products, and they sent me a package. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys today and talk about my first impressions and see how easy it is to use. And I'm really excited. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I have some insecurities about my skin. This is just all I've done today is clean it. I don't have anything else on it right now. I do have some acne scarring, and when I smile I have really bad crow's feet, and I'm only 25. So this product is supposed to help with that. So I'm really excited, and I'm going to take some before and after pics today and show you guys how it looks. So anyway, let's go ahead and open up the package. All right, let me unbox it. I'm really excited. So I haven't really looked into it very much because I wanted to give my honest feedback when I first opened it. So you guys are just as clueless as I am. I have no idea. I know kind of what it looks like. I don't really know what's in the package, and I don't know how to use it. So we're gonna find out how user friendly it is. Nala's very curious. This isn't for you, Miss Nala. Ooh. Ooh. Look out. Deminuage. Also, I probably should have done my nails before this, but oh well. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, Deminuage. Ooh, okay. Boost your inner glow. All right, so we've got a little guide here, product registration kit. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in this. Okay, so first off, all right, what's this? Let's check it out. I think this might be the tool to use. Okay, so here's the little tool. And then we've got the Blanc Brightening Serum. We've got 2 of those. Then we've got 10 booster nano chips. It says use 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. Okay, interesting. So this must be kind of like if you're doing if you do a face mask every week, kind of like that, I guess. And then 10 more daily nano chips used daily to gently condition the skin. And then I have 10 more of those. Perfect. Well, let's get this baby saddled up. So here is the tool. So I think you put in the battery in here. Put it in. Okay. And I guess once you press this, it starts working. Okay, so here's what the actual tool itself looks like. Very chic. I like the design. So today, I guess, all right, let's read. For first use, open the battery. Okay, we did that. I say AAA battery. Remove a new nanochip cartridge from its sealed bag. Use daily with serum of your choice. And then the booster, use 1 to 2 times weekly in place of the daily nanochip with included Deminuage Blanc Brightening Serum. Okay, so it shows you the daily looks different from the booster. Okay, so it seems simple enough. So let's see, screw the nanochip cartridge into the nano pen with nanochip side facing outward. To use daily nanochip with your own serum, apply the serum evenly to your face or the area you'd like to focus on. To use the booster with your own serum. To use the booster or daily nanochip with Deminuage Blanc Brightening Serum. Open the serum by placing hands on each end of the bottle and twisting along the bottleneck. Place rubber head over the bottle, ensuring there's no gap between the dipper and the bottom. Okay, press the power button located at the bottom of the nano pen to turn on. Hold the nano pen perpendicular to the face and gently begin sliding the nano chip into the skin, starting from the inside to the outside and bottom to the top. Do not slide the nano chip onto the same surface more than 3 times. Continue until the desired area has been treated. Reusing the Blanc Brightening Serum is not recommended once opening. Okay, let's give it a shot. I don't know if I'm gonna need water. I don't know how much of this is needs to be rinsed off, if it's an excess amount. So let's find out together. I'll probably typically do this at nighttime, after I've done my skincare routine. I'll probably do this at night, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to do it now during the daytime so you can see. And so my skin is a little bit brighter. All right, so I am opening up the Blanc Brightening Serum. There's only 5 in a package. I have 2 packages, so I'll probably be using this with my vitamin C serum after I run out of these. So let's see. To open, place hands on each end of the bottle and twist along the bottle neck. Place hands on each end of the bottle and twist along the bottle neck. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you take this part off, put this on, hold the bottle vertically to the skin surface and gently tap skin surface with the rubber. Okay. It's also supposed to help with blackheads too. So I'm gonna try my nose, but I'm really just gonna focus on my problem areas. Okay, I probably should have done this in a bathroom, but there's better lighting in here, so. First time's the charm. I'm gonna use it up the rest in here because it says once it's opened to not reuse the package, so of the serum I mean. Okay, all right, that's all on there. So next I'm going to use the Daily Nano Chips. It's getting in my mouth. Okay, I feel like I'm in like a dermatologist's office. Like everything is so nicely wrapped. Like I feel like I'm like a doctor about to do like facial. Interesting. So here's what it looks like. Let's give this baby a try. Okay, so it says hold perpendicular to your face and gently begin sliding the nano chip onto the skin starting from the inside to the outside and bottom to top. Do not slide the nano chip onto the same surface more than 3 times. Okay. Here comes Miss Curious. Oh my god, Nala! No. It's okay. Nala! I'm not gonna go like super. You probably should not have licked that, but that's okay. I'm not gonna go like super under like the bags under my eyes just because I don't know like how sensitive my skin is gonna be to this yet, so I'm gonna give it a chance. I don't want to go under like the most sensitive part, so I'm gonna do my crow's feet. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then okay, I'm gonna do one more pass through my cheeks. That's where my most acne scars are. And it says you can use it up to 3 times on your problem areas. So I'm gonna do one more time just for good measure. I am like barely pressing, by the way, so I'm doing it super gently. Okay, well, this is my skin today. Oh, I forgot to do my nose. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna be using this for a few weeks before I post this video. So let's hope that we can see something different in my skin, and it seems pretty neat. Like I'm really excited to see how this goes. If it can help with even just a little bit, I'd be so happy. I do have this little spot on my nose, that red spot, which is from it's like a pop blood vessel, which I've had since I was a teenager. So I'm gonna focus on that too and see if it helps with that at all. But yay, okay, well, I guess I'll see you guys in a couple weeks with my final review of Deminuage. Hello, everybody. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell a difference. I haven't seen the footage back to back yet, but it's been a couple weeks and I've been using my products every day, and I noticed a huge difference for sure. So I definitely noticed less redness, which was what I was hoping for, and my crow's feet are a little bit less diminished. And also 2 things that happened that I wasn't expecting it to. I've had like 3 pimples throughout this whole experience, which is not normal. I usually have so many more, and this one is my only one right now as I'm on my period. I usually get a whole bunch during my period, so I don't know if the product is what helped with that. And then something else is that my skin also received products better. Like my facial oil, when I put it on at night, I felt like my skin was soaking it up rather than it just being left on the surface. And also my pores right in my cheeks and on my nose and under my chin are always like so full of like blackhead stuff. Like they always look like blackheads, and I feel like they've been noticeably smaller and like more diminished, I would say. So those were things I wasn't expecting to happen that did happen, and I really was thankful for that. But yeah, I used it every day. I will say that so I did my normal skincare routine at morning and at night, and at night I use the Deminuage. So I always do face wash, rose water, and then I usually do my vitamin C serum. So instead, 2 days a week I would use their brightening serum and the more intense like head for it, and the other days of the week I would use my vitamin C serum and just the regular head for it. And I definitely noticed a difference when using their brightening serum and their more intense head versus the vitamin C serum. I don't know if it's just my vitamin C serum, but personally I liked their product better, so I'm definitely gonna have to order more of that because I thought it really helped with my skin. And then I would put on my face oil and do my gua sha on my chin. So I definitely noticed a big difference with their products. And yeah, I'm just really thankful that I got to try it. I feel like it really helped with my skin. So if you try it, let me know. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. I really enjoyed it. I used it last night. You can kind of see the line that usually fades after a little bit from going like this. So I did like this right here in my cheeks. I did end up going under my eyes, and then this side and my nose, and then my forehead, and then I would repeat my cheeks and my nose 2 more times each because that's like my more problem area, so that's where I wanted more attention to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you try it out. I would love to hear your reviews. And yeah, there's a discount code down in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. And I hope you all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.